just seen those normal air gliders that go through the air. But have you seen the Mark5 air glider? It has supreme power. It's about, alright,
Unfold it a bit.
Mark5. It can go no matter what. Stop. It can go on hard ice. Yeah, man. Or soft snow.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, look.
It can also be used as basketball. Let's see. Almost. It doesn't just work on that. It works anywhere. Wind or windless. The supply charges are high. Please borrow. Okay. You at the bank, you might have certain cases like mine cases. Willingness to make out with some people, and symptoms that may be known to men. Bye.
No, Mark, remember Thnx?
And now you can buy the Mark5 airplane. Only $5,452,252 billion. And they're selling like hotcakes, or whatever the saying is.